What if I told you this single 5-gallon bucket could produce enough cucumbers for your family, even if you don't have a garden? Stay with me because I'll show you exactly how to do it from planting to harvest, and I'll also show you how to build a simple trellis using cheap materials you probably already have. Today, we're growing cucumbers in a single 5-gallon container. This method is perfect if you have a balcony, patio, driveway, rooftop, or even a small backyard. By the end of this video, you'll know which container works best, the perfect soil mix, how to plant cucumbers correctly, how to build an inexpensive DIY trellis, the secrets to getting lots of healthy cucumbers. Let's get started. Step 1. Choose the right container. The first thing you need is a 5-gallon container. You can use a plastic bucket, a grow bag, a large nursery pot, whatever you choose. Make sure it has several drainage holes at the bottom. Cucumbers love moisture, but they hate sitting in water. Without drainage, the roots can rot. If your bucket doesn't have holes, simply drill 6 to 10 holes in the bottom. Step 2. Prepare the perfect soil. Healthy soil equals healthy plants. Here's my favorite mix: 40% compost, 40% quality potting mix, 20% cocoa coir or rice husk. Mix everything together before filling your container. This combination keeps the soil loose, holds moisture, and provides nutrients for strong growth. Avoid using heavy garden soil by itself because it becomes compact and prevents healthy root development. Step 3. Plant your cucumber. Plant 2 seeds about 1 inch deep. Space them a few inches apart. After they sprout, keep the healthiest seedling and remove the weaker one. If you're transplanting seedlings, plant one healthy seedling at the center of the container. Water immediately after planting. Step 4. Place the container. Cucumbers love sunshine. Place your container where it receives at least 6 to 8 hours of direct sunlight every day. More sunlight usually means more flowers and more cucumbers. Step 5. Build a simple DIY trellis. Now let's build an easy trellis. You don't need anything expensive. You can use bamboo stakes, wooden sticks, PVC pipes, strong branches, nylon rope, or garden twine. Push 3 or 4 stakes into the container around the edges. Tie them together at the top to form a teepee shape. Then wrap string around the frame or create a crisscross pattern. That's it. Your cucumber vines will naturally climb upward. Growing vertically saves space, improves airflow, reduces disease, and keeps your cucumbers cleaner. Step 6. Water correctly. Cucumbers are thirsty plants. Check the soil every morning. If the top inch feels dry, water deeply. During hot weather, you may need to water daily. Try to water the soil instead of the leaves. This helps reduce fungal diseases. Step 7. Feed your plants. Once flowering begins, your cucumbers need extra nutrients. Feed them every 2 weeks using compost, tea, liquid seaweed, fish emulsion, balanced vegetable fertilizer. Avoid too much nitrogen. Too much nitrogen gives you lots of leaves but very few cucumbers. Step 8. Help pollination. If bees visit your garden, they'll do most of the work. If not, you can hand pollinate. Simply use a small paintbrush or cotton swab. Transfer pollen from the male flower to the female flower. The female flower has a tiny cucumber behind it. This simple step can dramatically increase your harvest. Step 9. Watch for problems. Here are a few common issues. Yellow leaves, usually caused by overwatering, underwatering, lack of nutrients, powdery mildew. Improve airflow. Water the soil, not the leaves. Remove infected leaves. Aphids, spray them off with water or use neem oil. Bitter cucumbers, usually caused by inconsistent watering. Keep the soil evenly moist. Harvest time. Most cucumbers are ready to harvest between 50 and 70 days after planting. Harvest them while they're still young. Don't wait until they become oversized. Picking regularly encourages the plant to produce even more cucumbers. The more you harvest, the more it keeps producing. Bonus tips. Here are 5 quick tips for bigger harvests. Grow 1 cucumber plant per 5-gallon container. Add mulch to keep moisture in. Remove yellow leaves regularly. Tie vines gently to the trellis as they grow. Harvest every couple of days. These simple habits can make a huge difference. Growing cucumbers in a 5-gallon container is one of the easiest ways to enjoy fresh, homegrown vegetables even if you have very little space. With good soil, plenty of sunlight, regular watering, and a simple homemade trellis, one healthy plant can reward you with dozens of crisp, delicious cucumbers throughout the season. Imagine stepping outside, picking a fresh cucumber straight from your own container, and knowing you grew it yourself. That's one of the most satisfying parts of gardening. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more practical container gardening tips, and let me know in the comments, what's your favorite cucumber variety to